Packing light makes every camping trip easier, and that's exactly what the new FieldSpork is designed to help with. Instead of carrying several different camp kitchen tools, this clever gadget combines 6 useful functions into one compact titanium tool that's built for outdoor adventures. Made from durable grade 5 titanium, the FieldSpork is lightweight, tough, and designed to handle years of camping, hiking, and backpacking. At first glance, it looks like a regular spork, but there's much more to it. The spoon isn't just for eating, it also works as a measuring spoon. Depending on how you hold it, it can measure either 3 or 5 milliliters of liquid or around 3 grams of fine powder, making it handy for cooking at the campsite. The handle hides 2 fold-out tools that add even more versatility. One side features a bottle opener that also doubles as a fruit pick for grabbing small pieces of food. The other side unfolds into a serrated steak knife, giving you another useful cutting tool around camp. The folding mechanism uses a ceramic detent ball to provide a smooth and secure opening and closing action. Along the back of the FieldSpork, you'll also find laser-etched measurement markings that let you estimate the amount of liquid inside a cooking pot. While the exact measurement system hasn't been fully explained, it's another feature aimed at making camp cooking a little more convenient. The tool also includes a removable pocket clip, a slot for adding an optional glow-in-the-dark tritium vial for better visibility at night, and an optional quick-release shackle so you can clip it to a keychain or backpack. There's even an optional titanium lunchbox designed to pair with it. Despite packing in all these features, the FieldSpork weighs just under 59 grams, making it easy to carry wherever you go. It's currently available through Kickstarter, with early supporters able to get one for $109, while the planned retail price is expected to be $169. For campers, hikers, and anyone who loves compact gear, the FieldSpork offers an interesting all-in-one solution that could help save space without sacrificing functionality.